Truckload of cardboard boxes got from the local food store. This is the cardboard boxes after the lawnmower it's cut it up. These are the coconuts before going into the machine. This is the machine that cuts it up. And this is how the coconuts comes out after the first pass. These are the freshly cut grains that go through the machine. Through the green material, you would see how small the machine cuts it up. So this is some of the material we're going to use to build the pile. And this is after I build the pile, what the temperature was. It's further temperature reading during the first 7 days of the pile. It's pretty hot in there. Got up to 160 and all. You can see all the steam coming up. And this is the pile after 7 days. We're going to run it through the machine. You can see we already started. And this is how fine the material is processed after 7 days. It's still kind of chunky. And then we start to push it through the machine. And it's broken down pretty good after the first pass. Gonna run it through twice. It's pretty good. And we're checking the temperature. The material is pretty much still hot. It's like about 120. Even when we run it through the machine, it's about 100. And after it comes out, it's about 100. So it's pretty hot material still. So this is the complete pile after its first pass through the machine. It's about 2 yards of material. I'm going to run it through the machine again and shoot it here into this bay. And then